Hello YouTube. Recently the AC compressor inside my BMW X3 broke, so I've been trying to fix it myself. Many of you may have experienced problems with the AC system in your car, such as the air not getting as cool as it should be. Usually we take the car into the garage and they change the entire compressor, but here's a simpler way to fix a denser and similar type of modern AC compressor unit. Modern AC compressors are designed with a variable displacement piston that alters the volume inside the compressor. This means that the displacement of the compressor changes automatically according to the temperature required inside the cabin. This also means that there is no magnetic clutch in the compressor, and therefore the clutch plate is always rotating when the engine is running. But this doesn't mean that the clutch is working properly. Even if the component inside the clutch is broken, it will still rotate, but the shaft won't rotate with it. These small elements inside the compressor pulley are designed to break as a safety measure so that you can avoid further damage happening to the rest of the compressor. How do you find the DO pulley that's actually broken? If for any reason the pulley is actually broken, you won't be able to see any of the damage from the outside of the compressor casing. If for any reason the pulley is actually broken, you won't be able to see any of the damage from the outside of the compressor casing. In most cases, the pulley stays in its position. In some compressors, like the ones made by Denso, the outer ring on the compressor would hold the pulley in place, so you would only be certain of the damage once the casing has been taken off. If you look closely on the compressor, you can see a small gap between the compressor pulley and the clutch hub plate. If it's broken, you can gently pry it open using a screwdriver. In some Mercedes cars, you need to remove the outer ring to face up the clutch hub plate. The broken plate comes off quite easily, but if it's not broken then it won't come off. Don't apply too much pressure trying to remove it, as you could end up breaking it. Here's how you can remove the DO pulley. Replacing the clutch is actually very easy. Unfortunately, Denso doesn't sell the clutch plate separately. They sell the compressor as a whole, which is why most garages would rather replace the compressor than mend it themselves. There are a few sites on the internet that will actually sell the clutch plate separately. Hope this video helps you with your DIY. Leave a like and comment any suggestions you may have for future videos.